I'm John Champion, and analysing this game for us is Jim Beglin.
Well, I think we're very fortunate to be sitting here watching this one, John. I'm really looking forward to what should be a really exciting match.
The teams then, Barcelona against Bayern Munich. These are the lineups. And we're now all set. A chance! Nicely fed in.
Oh, such a good ball to get him through. Showed real vision and awareness then in trying to pick him out. Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defence unsettled, and now they've got to back it up.
Schweinsteiger lunged in there and gave away a free kick, and indeed it is a yellow card. No hard feelings between the two players, but there was an air of cynicism about the foul. And Lahr. Here's Schweinsteiger. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? That was a super ball in.
Yeah, the ball in there was simply superb. He won't be too happy that it's gone to waste like that.
He knocks it in. Can he now find a finish? Now Alexis Sanchez. An opportunity down the side. There's a need for some fresh ideas. It's a real struggle to get the ball in. Xavi. The ball's with Cesc Fabregas. Puts it back. He takes the opportunity to shoot. He's got in. Müller. Here's Schweinsteiger. Chance! No, he wasn't decisive enough.
Yeah, he just gave the defence too much time to regroup. In the end, he was forced into rushing it.
Got it. Here's Cesc Fabregas. The ball played out to the wing. There's a possibility here for a shot, and he makes absolutely no mistake. And Barcelona strike first. It is scintillating to watch.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
They get us underway at 1-0.
Oh look, it's lovely having a player with such ability in your side. He's always capable of coming up with something important, and he's done it again.
Pedro, he's onside here. Now possibility down the flank. Possibility here, and it's taken with some style. They've added another in a matter of minutes. That is simply unsavable. So it's now 2 without reply.
Well, at 1-0 this game was very much in the balance, but at 2-0 they ought to be able to defend this lead from here.
And Schweinsteiger. The flag stays down. Oh, it's been cut out. Cesc Fabregas. Here's Pedro. Villa on the ball. Müller makes the interception. Here's Schweinsteiger. Villa, whose goal-scoring skills have already been seen. Here's Lahr. The ball is with Pedro. Pedro shoots! Now Javi Martinez. They're off on the counter. Just over 15 minutes remaining in the first half. Villa! Really good try, but no goal.
Oh, he couldn't have hit that any better, and any other time it would have sneaked in. That will encourage another try, though.
Villa, who's already made an impact on this game. Here's Pedro. And Lahr. Great chance for the counter. Here's a ball in. Ribéry! They've scored! They're back in it now. It's a difficult skill to master, but I think we can safely say he's got the hang of it.
You know, for a moment there I thought he was going to try and take a touch, but that was a great decision to hit the volley. Spectacular.
They kick off only one ahead now.
Well, it was important they didn't get ahead of themselves and lose their discipline. This game plan could near well reward them with an equaliser.
And he'll shoot here, and the chance accepted with some aplomb. 2 goals to the good, and they're set fair. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
Yeah, defensively they thought they had him where they wanted him, but he's forever on his toes and he showed terrific movement to manufacture some space and score.
They now lead by 2.
Yeah, they may well be 2 up now, but the beauty of this game is that it can all change in a flash.
A cross in. It's a poor clearance. Alexis Sanchez. It's on for him. It's through. It's gone through to the keeper. Here's Schweinsteiger. The ball's with Toni Kroos. Now Pedro plays this forward. The ball is with Pedro. Schweinsteiger wants to get this forward. He's carved himself a chance here. Lahm. Here's Lahm. Here's Schweinsteiger. Sloppy pass, intercepted. Half-time is now upon us.
In my opinion, they're totally in control of this game, and they'll want to continue the second half in the same manner as they finished the first.
2 goals between the sides. The whistle goes to signify half-time.
I think it's been a really good display so far. I think they're using every inch of the pitch to stretch this game. It's nice and expansive and difficult to cope with.
So then, 3-1 is the score. Barcelona against Bayern Munich. Mario Gomez. A shot! He so nearly exploited that mistake.
I think the coach will be really annoyed with that kind of sloppiness to allow a shot like that.
Got it. Plays this forward. The linesman's kept his flag down. Schweinsteiger wants to get this forward. Here's Robin. Now a promising attack from a wide position. Here's Xavi. Iniesta. He's got in. It's on for him. It's come through to him.
Yeah, it's all very easy on the eye, but I think they're just missing something a little more incisive now to complement some very good build-up play.
Bad tackle, awful tackle really. Free kick, well, it's a booking, no surprise really. Have to agree with the ref there. Defender didn't get anywhere near the ball. No complaints about that. This looks dangerous. The opponents just can't afford to concede any more goals. Messi! The referee has given a corner kick. He sends it in. It was great play by the defence there, and it's out for a throw-in. Robin. And here's Robin. Look at him go! Pedro. We're into the last half hour of the game. No, beaten to it. That's dangerous. Pedro. Schweinsteiger cuts it out. And they get it away. Here's Iniesta, looking to carve open the defence. Now Villa. It's opened up nicely for him. Vital touch by the keeper. Oh, that caught everyone by surprise. Xavi. Here's Robin. Still in possession. Now into the penalty area. Robin! And it's a really well taken goal. Just one goal in it now. The comeback could be on.
Well, that's a finish that'll be remembered by both player and fans for a long, long time. I guess we'll be eulogising about it for a long time too. Wonderful.
A fine goal, a real delight to watch. The lead's down to a single goal now.
Listen, goals change games, and that has changed the whole complexion of this one. They have the momentum now.
Pedro's got it. Keeper's done ever so well there.
Oh, how wasteful was that? You're not going to get many better chances to score than that, really.
It's on for him. Cesc Fabregas. A huge chance missed.
Yeah, he knew only too well that to concede then would have been tough to recover from. That could prove a big moment in this game.
Pizarro. Cut out in a promising position.
Well, there's no point in adopting a conservative attitude now. As long as they don't lose their shape completely, they have to throw men forward in this situation.
You know what, they're knocking on the door, but they're running out of time. Looking to thread it through. The keeper coming in and making the catch. Now Alexis Sanchez. Iniesta. Feeds a long ball into space. He's onside. It's cleared away. Breaking into space. And he can't hit the target. Here's Pedro. The tension here is pretty unbearable. Only one goal separating them and just 5 minutes left. He can take the shot on here. Skillfully hit. They've done it. Surely that's it. A crushing blow at this late stage. A very classy finish that. A brace of goals for him now. Surely now this match is over as a contest.
Well, I think if they're going to have any hope from here, they'll need to see their more experienced lads step up to the plate now.
Pumps it forward. Pedro. Mistimed lunge. Free kick given. Yep, referee's gone to his pocket. It's a yellow for a fairly careless challenge he didn't really have to make. Could have been another colour too. Certainly some sections of the crowd think red would have been more appropriate. Barcelona with a free kick. Xavi. Iniesta. Puts it backwards. The referee blows his whistle for full time. An impressive win here after a magnificent performance by all the players involved. Everything went right for them and they were able to get the result that they wanted. My sincere thanks go to Jim alongside me, and as the fans make their way home, so must we. Good evening to you.